AirTags. You've heard that many times past 2020, even in 2019. We've been waiting for them a long time, and now we know the reason why they are not here yet and exactly what they're going to look like. What's up, Lollipop? My name is Joe, and thank you, Mr. John Prosser. He has given us information regarding to the AirTags, why we haven't seen them yet, and actually a very precise look on how they are going to look like. Let's not waste time. Let's get right into this story. So first and foremost, John has showed us renders, and he's shown us very many aspects of this device. It has traces in iOS 14.3. Even Apple showed it in one of their tutorial videos on YouTube. There was a small section where they said compatible with AirTags, or when used with AirTags. It was in my Find My app. And the thing is, John has showed us a render before because he got some insider person to send him a video, and he worked together with a professional render person, and they created a design on what it's going to look like. Now, an insider engineer has shared footage, a video footage of the AirTags on precisely how they are going to look like. And this is going to be an animation or something like that when you attach it to your phone, you attach it to your iPad, or wherever. This is exactly what it looks like. A small metallic back, circular, the whole device, and a white front. And this is my personal opinion, I think it might even have MagSafe connectivity with iPhones. It looks like it. It's with the magnets and the metal and everything. It might be attachable to your phone, to your accessories, wherever you want. You might be able to charge it that way. That would be really awesome. You could charge this device off of your phone. Now the thing is, the production is done. It's been done for a long time. Why didn't they introduce this to us yet? Well, the whole thing is because of the pandemic that's going on. No one is going outside, and the reason that these things work is because people are interacting with people. Phones are out and about in the store, in the coffee shop, wherever. And these AirTags via Bluetooth are able to connect to each and every iPhone running iOS 14. Not share data, just connect and send a precise location. So if you have this thing in your wallet, in your bag, wherever, and you leave it somewhere on the side of the street or in a coffee shop or wherever, and you have a couple of iPhones around, that device connects to those iPhones, and those iPhones send the signal on where your bag or whatever you put your AirTags in is. And because we're not going outside, because nothing is happening in the world right now, we're stuck at home, we're in quarantine, it didn't make sense for Apple to introduce this product because the experience would not be the same as if you were outside, as if you were, doing your day-to-day life. A really cool product. I think when pulled off, it can work really nice. I think that's the reason that Apple has not turned off the charging capabilities of the wireless charger in the iPhone. So it will be able to charge AirTags. So you will never need to buy a new one unless the battery dies. It's a cool concept. It's a nice product. It's a special product. I'm really thinking on how much this will cost and when will they introduce it? What's the appropriate time for them to introduce something when you're waiting for something like the situation in the world right now to be over? Will it be this year? Will they go the very safe route and introduce it to us next year? The production is done, so they don't have to worry about that. It's just, when can they launch? So guys, this is the AirTags. This is a story about the AirTags. I think it's a really cool product. Once it launches, it's gonna, Find My iPhone was a really cool thing when they introduced it in the iPhone. This is something extra. Anyway guys, thank you very much for watching. Until my next video, stay safe and hang loose.